A support queue is where promises get made to customers, one reply at a time. The work that decides whether those promises are any good happens around the reply, in the triage nobody sees. Here is what happens when you hand that to an agent, and where the agent is made to stop. This is the queue as a ticket processor sees it. 6 of these are waiting on us rather than on the customer, and the one marked negative has been written about 3 times now, which is a stronger signal than its age. Open it, and you get the customer's own words. This is the 3rd time they have written, the export still fails, and there is a board review on Thursday. A timer runs against the ticket while a processor works it, and those minutes land in the same time log the invoicing run reads. So the work that gets done here is already on its way to an invoice. The agent is not assembled from switches. It is given the process in plain English. Read the ticket, propose a classification, propose an owner where there is none, draft a reply, and then stop, because the instruction declares an approval checkpoint before anything customer visible is sent. On the right is what EOS made of that instruction. 7 execution steps, the skill each one calls, and 1 approval gate. You review this before you trust the agent, since the compiled plan is what actually runs. The instruction declared 1 checkpoint, so the compiled agent carries exactly 1 gate. It pauses there and cannot continue until a person approves, which is what makes classifying and drafting unrestricted while sending is not. When it runs, the agent reports each step as it happens, listing the ticket processors who could own the work, reading the ticket, classifying it, drafting a reply, and composing its analysis. This is the real log, speeded up. At the checkpoint, the run stops and the request arrives in the approvals queue, carrying everything the decision needs. The customer's message, a proposed classification of technical, urgent, and high risk, a proposed owner, and the exact reply text that would go out. A person approves, and only then does the reply go out. The ticket moves to waiting on customer, and the approval for the next ticket takes its place in the queue. Everything up to the reply can run without you. The reading, the classifying, the proposing, the drafting. The reply itself waits, because that is the moment a promise gets made to a customer in your name.